In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a VAT return on Xero. We'll walk through setting up the tax rate you'll use for your VAT transactions so your return calculates correctly. Make sure you're logged into the correct organization and that you have the right user permissions to change tax settings. From your Xero dashboard, go to the tax area. This is where Xero centralizes everything related to VAT and other indirect taxes. Opening this section gives you access to the core settings that determine how your sales and purchases are treated for VAT. Next, open Tax Settings. Here you can see how VAT is configured for your organization. This is the control panel for the rules Xero will apply when it totals your VAT on returns, so it's worth moving carefully and double-checking each choice. Now head into Manual Tax Rates. Xero provides default VAT rates for many regions, but manual rates are useful when you need a custom setup, such as a specific percentage, a combined rate with multiple components, or a temporary rate change. Using a manual rate ensures your transactions are coded exactly as your jurisdiction requires. Choose New Tax Rate to create one. You're building a rate that you and your team will select on invoices and bills, so clarity matters. Give it a display name that makes sense at a glance. Something like VAT return plus a short identifier, such as a country or percentage, helps avoid mix-ups later. Aim for a name your whole team will recognize and use consistently. Enter your tax components. Components are the pieces that make up the total VAT rate. For many businesses, this may be a single VAT component at the current standard percentage. In other cases, you might combine components to reflect regional rules. Ensure the percentage matches your current legal rate and set the component so it applies correctly to sales, purchases, or both, depending on your requirements. Consistency here is key because Xero will use this setup to calculate your VAT totals on transactions that feed into your return. When everything looks right, select Save. After saving, you'll see your new tax rate in the list, and it will be available when you code invoices, bills, and other transactions. Using this rate consistently across relevant entries helps Xero produce accurate VAT figures when you review your return. If something changes, like a new statutory percentage, come back to these settings and update the rate promptly. That's it. You've set up a manual VAT rate in Xero that supports accurate VAT return calculations. Thanks for watching.